Alright, we are at Tower Park in Omaha.
These used to be Otis. Here's the Peregrine Hotel. I'm gonna film that next. What? Looks like they're doing some renovations out there. Westinghouse. It is hot as hell today. I am so hot right now. Like I'm sweating as I'm filming this right now. Sweating my butt off. It's nice and cool out here though, at least. Anyway, that will be it.